to give a special thanks to Doll of a Kind for sending these products to us for free. What's up, doll collectors and gift givers? Here is a My Froggy Stuff Etsy shop review. Today we are taking a look at Doll of a Kind. There's a website, dollofakind.com, a Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and of course, Etsy shop, where we can find a variety of wigs and doll accessories for 18-inch dolls and smart dolls. And we've got a whole bunch of wigs to take a look at today. This is the Smart Doll Dyed Mermaid Wig. On Etsy, it says it fits most doll heads 7.5 to 8.5 inches. Priced at $39.99. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. Ooh, fancy packaging. It says, "Thank you. I hope you enjoy your purchase as much as I enjoyed making it." Aww. All right, we're just gonna carefully open the paper. I'm destroying it. Oh, I don't even have to actually rip the paper at all. I can just remove it and then remove the wig. There is a tag that says Doll of a Kind, enjoy your new wig, premium doll wig. On the other side, it says how to swap and glue your new wig. And then there's a website with a tutorial, and there is a website with care instructions. This looks like it's going to be pretty long. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the net. Oh, wow. We have a nice wig cap there. There's a little tag that lets you know it's Doll of a Kind. And so far, everything looks very neat. We have this beautiful ombre hair. It's going from this kind of taffy pink to this very aqua, it's kind of like a cotton candy blue color. And, oh, it's different on the other side. Okay, so it's like reverse. I just keep touching it. I'm so sorry. A general rule of mine is to not play with hair too much because it just, you know, wears over time if you're constantly handling it. But this feels so nice. Loving that beautiful ombre color. I've got a little bit of info on these wigs, and it says that they're made with a high quality fiber, the same as in human wigs. Heat resistant up to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. The wig can be styled with a flat iron blow dryer or a curling iron, whichever one you like. It doesn't tangle easily. Extra silky and soft, and this one is extra thick when compared to average wigs. There is hair that goes over the edge of the wig cap, allowing us to style the hair in ponytails. Washable with baby shampoo and conditioner. They suggest you use a metal brush and spray water on the wig before styling. However, with the curly and wavy wigs, they suggest using your fingers to style. The Smart Doll Nostalgia is going to help us out here today and try on a few wigs. Let's just get her situated. There we go. They weren't joking when they said twice as thick. You get a lot of hair here. I think the ombre is lovely. We have a nice, beautiful, gradual fade here between the colors. The hair is pretty long, and I haven't seen a lot of shedding. I do like that we have the option of being able to pull the hair back. They also sell hair clips around $5. Some are a little more, some are a little less. So we can clip the hair to the side to keep it out of her face and get a little sparkle. Let's try the Amazonia next. Hope I'm saying that right. This is another dyed wig. It feels a little longer. Also priced at $39.99. It's going from purple to a blue to a green, and it's very soft. Yeah, that's a lot of hair. The color is split at the top. We have purple, blue, green on one side and green, blue, purple on the other. This is also giving me some mermaid vibes. And we can pair it with a pretty little green hair clip to be all matchy-matchy. The name's Cruella. Yep, definitely giving off some strong Cruella de Vil vibes here. This wig is called Dalmatian. It's dyed and priced at $39.99. I can't get over this. The look of this wig from the back is very, very nice. I keep moving the white hair over so that it's white on the top and black on the bottom, but it is indeed two-tone as well. So this side is black and then it fades to white. This wig is also very long, just like the last one. The wig cap for this wig is black on the inside, in case you wanted to know. This is the Rainbow Pastel wig. It is not dyed and priced at $34.99. This wig has a little more curl to it than the last one we looked at, and a nude colored wig cap. Look at those curls. This wig has a variety of colors. I'm seeing yellow, purple, pink, blue. The colors are all blended together, so when you brush the hair, you're getting this really pretty rainbow effect. It's like unicorn hair. Personally, I really do like how we have the pink here on top, and then we can see all of the other colors. And if you decide to put it in a ponytail, you get some really nice colors. Overall, I think this is a pretty fun wig. Purple Dream dyed wig for $39.99. Wrapped all nice and pretty. Ooh. Here we have another very long wig. It's black at the top and then it fades to purple. It has a black wig cap and it's silky smooth. I really like this. I'm loving the black roots and I think the ombre is beautifully done. And I just tilted the wig to the side a little to turn my center part into a side part. This is the Northern Lights wig, priced at $39.99. Has a nice little wave with bright rainbow colors. It's parted down the middle with two different colors on each side. This is a fun look. Total Instagram hair. This is the Cosmos wig, priced at $39.99. We have kind of a bluish green hue on one side and a pinky purple on the other that fade to soft pastels at the bottom. We get deeper color at the top and it does have a soft curl. I totally get why it's named Cosmos because it's like galaxy hair. This is our last wig. It's a no-dye wig named Opal, priced at $34.99. We have some curls here, and it just kind of cascades down, allowing you to just mix all those colors. We've got purple, teal, green, all mixed together for this look. And as you style the hair, more colors are just like revealed. I think this is very, very pretty. There's a nice variety of hair clips to choose from, as well as clothing items. Like these jeans priced at $59.99. Here's a look on the inside, and here they are on. They have belt loops, working pockets. Let's see, is the bottom of the pocket closed? Yep, it is. There are pockets in the back, and they have a flare at the bottom of the leg. Here is a white shirt for $14.99. Here's a look at the inside stitching. It's a crop top with long sleeves. The sleeves are loose, and there is no opening in the back. We can pair it with sneakers for $19.99 to give our dolls a look that is doll of a kind. They also have ballerina shoes for $18.99, crystal blue jeans for $59.99, adult, teen, and kids no-dye wigs so we can match the dolls in Opal and Rainbow Pastel. They also sent a few 18-inch doll shoes. Unfortunately, all of my 18-inch dolls have been packed away, but we can still take a look at the shoes. This one is called Gold, priced at $17.99, and wow, they're gold. They have a gold faux leather, a gold glitter toe, and gold ribbon. But these are not just any shoes, these are doll light-up shoes. When we tap them on the ground, they light up. They are battery operated, they turn on with motion, the flashy lights last for about 6 seconds, and then they turn off by themselves. And according to my information, the battery lasts 300,000 times or more. This is the white flower boot for $18.99, the orange galaxy for $17.99, and many more. If I had to pick a favorite, I'm gonna go with the wigs. I think those ombre colors are beautifully done and will make for some fun photography. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Doll of a Kind Etsy shop. Let us know in the comments down below which items caught your attention. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and the Frog Vlog. Let us know down below what Etsy shops you would like for us to check out next. And we will see you next time.